you ready to explore the world of biology and medicine? The Biomedical Science Program equips you to research, diagnose, and improve health, gain on-hands experience, investigate treatments, and develop real-world skills in patient care. In your final year, you get the chance to participate in NASA Hunch and design real-world products for NASA. The program provides students with industrial-level training and allows you to apply biomedical concepts in the real-world scenarios. From learning about genetics to exploring groundbreaking medical research, this program prepares you for the future. Start your CTE journey at Porter Early College High School. Your future in biomedical science begins here.